revolution will be live.
YouTube, ZX Predator here. I just came back from a ride, and what was your name again? Vicky. I gotta get your social media. This is another episode of What You Riding. He rode past my house, and this thing, you didn't hear nothing, and then it comes to find out that, guess what? It's an e-bike, dude. I was blown away. Me and my brother-in-law, when you passed by, we were like, "What the heck?" Like, there's no.
I thought you went out of gas.
Yeah, I thought, yeah. So, oh man. So you said you got it out of New York, right? Yep. All right. What year is this?
Well, I think this is 2019.
2019.
Yep.
Man, this. Hello. Yeah, this is cool. This is real cool. So, hey, how are you? So, how much do you get off of a charge?
It takes like 6 hours and 40 miles an hour.
Oh, okay.
For the whole charge, it may take you like 25 miles.
All right. You know what? Can I get a look at the dash?
Yeah.
Man, this is really cool. You know, I may be looking into this. I have to say, you know, this is random. And you know, it's funny. Whenever I do my YouTube videos, it's cool where it's just random. It just makes it magic. But I may have to be riding with you just to get a look on this on my 360 camera. Yeah, I want you to try it. This is cool. What, he said you don't need a license for this?
You don't need a license or anything.
All right, this is cool. It's a key fob.
Yeah, it is a key fob. And it looks like a Maserati key.
Yeah, right. Oh man, so and you're in the area, right?
Yeah, I'm in there, yeah.
Okay. Oh wow. Did you just get this?
Yeah, I just got it like 2 days ago.
Oh, because I know most of the riders out here, so I was just like, I know the guy that with boost over here.
This one is the back brakes.
Back
Something
brakes?
like here, but
Oh,
this
this
is
one
not
is
a
just
glove.
one.
Like you don't have to like.
Oh, so it's just there.
It's just brake. Yeah. Back brake.
Oh, okay.
Let me see.
Okay. Oh, and then I have a helmet if you want to use it.
I think I'm gonna save money to get one like this big.
Wait, how much does this go for? Like what? $2,000?
Oh, how much?
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, 2 brakes.
$2,000. All right, nice.
I didn't get it for money though, because my friend was like, it's not my friend, it's my cousin. He said,
Yeah.
you like buy, like you want to buy motorcycle stuff. You want to buy a motorcycle? I was like, yeah. He was like, okay, I got you something.
Yeah.
It's not like a motorcycle.
Yeah, at least you can learn on it.
So he showed me, and it looks like a motorcycle, so I really like that.
No,
You don't have to like have a license or anything. So it's
Dude, this is unbelievable.
like, and it goes fast.
Yeah. All right. He should have had his helmet, but you know what? Don't worry about that, YouTube. We'll be back. You're making me feel old. Okay. Oh, did you?
You just
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Hey, look, you're gonna see me with like this crazy helmet, like you know. Nice, right?
Come on, that's
You don't hear anything.
I forgot to tell you, you have like three down there. 1, 2, 3.
really.
So, yeah, like right there.
It wasn't only one.
One speed. You have 2.
Mike, you have to come check this out, man. This is cool.
Can I try it again?
Yeah.
You better be careful.
Clutch, you just put it on 3 and just keep going all the way, and it's
Okay.
gonna go really fast.
This is unbelievable. You know, I'm gonna give you my business card. This is going up on YouTube tonight. This is cool.
You're gonna be famous on YouTube.
Yeah. Well,
Use again.
on one of my videos at 2.6 million.
Ooh, man.
Yeah. So.
Right.
It's because of my helmet and my boy Brian. It was funny. I'll show it to you one day. All right, my brother is off. Dude, I am blown away. Hold on. This is wild. And my brother-in-law.
Yeah, and you have
And I was just talking to him about test riding my bike. Oh, it got the lights?
no, but it's not showing you anything.
Yeah.
Let me show you how.
Oh,
to-
dude, that's sick. Look at that.
Yeah.
That is wild.
Yeah, yep. That's
Dude.
the one.
Oh my god.
That's the one. That was
Does he have another one of these? I'll go and. Oh my goodness, this is crazy.
And then left singer, right singer.
Everything is there. No, you gotta get it integrated on this.
No, because you need this thing in the middle. So I broke it.
Yeah, you know what? I do repairs and
It's
stuff too.
heavy. If you have it, it's the same like with us.
Yeah.
Our motorcycle.
Yeah.
So it was falling. I couldn't like catch it.
All right, dude. Yeah, we gotta talk. We gotta talk offline. Yeah, it just
Pick you open it. It's nothing inside.
How big is the battery?
that's it right here.
That one.
Dude. So 6 hours will get you.
So now, can you get
What highway?
I did once, but it was a stupid.
But
idea.
it looks like a bike.
I
That probably
no,
will
I
stop you
did
because
once, but
because
I
of the
literally-
shape.
It looks like a 250. It looks like a 250, but
The cap would stop you because of it was not license plate.
You know-
After when they stop you, they're gonna say, "Oh shit,
They
that's
never
electric."
stopped me. I went like I told them. I went to Jersey City, like close to New York and stuff. They never stopped me. They didn't say anything.
no, but it's not making any noise.
It's literally Saturday, and people are drunk and like cups around and everywhere, and like they just looking at me. That's it.
Yeah.
I'm like, you guys are not gonna talk about it, okay?
Hey, you know what? Well, yeah, you could do the bar end mirrors and so on and so forth, but
Well, they
I
had mirrors and stuff in here, but I took it off.
you deleted them. Okay. Can you talk to him and see if he has another one? I may have to talk to him about this one. Even Jackie might be able to get on this. Unbelievable. Hey, folks, you know what? This video is going on for a minute, but make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. And you're going to see this guy again since he just moved to the area. But Mike, Mr. Bolero, you're going to love this. This is cool. This has been ZX Predator. I'm outie.
It's kind of fast. It's
All
not
right.
really fast like motorcycle, but it's kind of fast.
All right, got it. How do I start this thing?
Oh, you don't need to press the brakes?
Just hold it on.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, it's good. If they had a sport bike electric,
Let me play some music.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. I'm sold on this. I gotta find this on eBay, Amazon, or something.
like an
So, let's see, reverse. Okay, now I'll do the kill. Dude, you just became my new friend. Like seriously,
They
this.
have like the lights, the signals.
yeah.
I can't believe this. I cannot believe this.
I want a car. I want a BMW, but for me, it was like a dream to have a motorcycle. I don't
Yeah.
know how to drive motorcycles. I'm not
This
like,
is an absolute training tool right here.
yeah. Yep.
And you see, the one thing that I noticed, you don't have to worry about stalling out where you're like clutching because I'm just like,
Clutching or
oh,
putting it on or anything. You
Yeah.
just like have to keep.
oh, whoever made this, whatever company this is, I'll be hitting you up. Like,
Then it's a 2020. I looked at the
okay.
thing. And look, that's where you charge it from.
Oh,
Oh, in the back.
That's a regular.
Yep. That's a regular like monitor, like computer
Yeah.
plug and stuff
Dude.
like this.
Good move.
See you.
Yeah,
Let me see your.
bonus content. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What's that? No, don't worry. Wait a minute. Where are these speakers? I can't believe this. I can't believe this. This is crazy. What? Wait a minute. I can't believe this. You know what, YouTube? This is fair use because we're like checking things out, but where they're in the front somewhere. You can do it because unlike a fuel operated, it doesn't heat up like my bike. Oh my God, that's bonus content for you guys. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna look into the 250 in the front.
Yeah, it looks like a 600 because my friend's
Yeah.
Footlax had one.
Yeah, the
Similar size.
yeah.
It was a 600.
All right. Okay, folks.